Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to latest government job updates in English. NALCO is recruiting graduate engineer trainee to GATE exam 2022. So if you give GATE paper in mechanical instrumentation, metallurgy, civil, mining, chemistry and technical, then you can apply to the post. Total vacancies are 189 vacancies. Salary you can say approximately 9.6 lakh per annum. We will discuss with detailed information. So let's start our video with important points. So first important points is 65% accredited you should have if you are from Open, EWS and OBC, and 55% accredited you should have if you are from SC/ST and PWD. Posting will be anywhere in India. Then process will be GATE score plus PI, and 90% weightage is given to GATE score and 10% weightage is given to PI only. And last, that is your bond is there, and bond duration will be 5 years, and if you did not pay company for the 5 years, then you need to pay 3 to 4 lakh rupees bond amount. This 5 year include your 1 year of training and 4 year of actual working. Now we will see eligibility criteria. So for mechanical post, if you complete your BTech in mechanical production engineering, then you can apply. The given condition is you should give GATE paper in mechanical branch. Okay. Then electrical and power engineering students apply. Your GATE paper code should be EE. For instrumentation, electronics, telecommunication, instrumentation, electrical engineers you can apply, but your GATE paper code should be instrumentation. Then metallurgy, those who complete BTech in metallurgy, you can apply. Your GATE paper code should be MT. Then for civil architecture, ceramics engineers are eligible, and your GATE paper code should be civil. For mining engineers are eligible. Your GATE paper code should be MN. For chemical engineers and MTech in applied chemistry are eligible. Your GATE paper code should be CH, and chemistry, MSc in chemistry or AIC are eligible. Your GATE paper code should be CY. Age limit cutoff date is 11 September 2022. Age limit is general EWS 30 years, OBC 33, SC 35, PWD 40 general, OBC 43 and SST 45. Important days, form will start on 11th of August 2022 and it will end on 11th September 2022. About your interview, you can expect between November or December. Okay, so this is you can consider as a tentative interview date. Fees will be 500 rupees for general OBC EWS, and for SST PWD ex-servicemen there is only 100 rupees fee. Now we will see vacancy wise breakdown for each branch. So for mechanical, total 58 vacancies they given. Okay, and categorized you can see here. For electrical, total 41 vacancies are there. Instrumentation 32, metallurgy 14, chemical 14, mining 10, civil 7 and chemistry 13. So those who will apply for NALCO, okay, all the best to you guys, and definitely I will upload quick guide video for you so that you will get proper guidelines that to how to prepare for interview, and you can crack this exam and you can crack this opportunity. So if you have any query, any doubt regarding anything, you can comment down below. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to our channel to get latest job updates in English.